Welcome back. Dear students, today we are going to continue our same topic, subject verb agreement. This topic is of 8th standard. Already we have seen the two parts of this lesson. We are going to start now third part of this lesson. Third part we are going to take. What is subject verb agreement? Already I told you. If subject is singular, verb we need to take singular. If subject is plural, verb also we need to take plural. And many rules we have studied here. Now further some rules we are going to study. What about collective noun? If collective noun is used as a whole, if collective noun is used as whole, then it will take only singular verb. If collective noun is used as whole, what is meant by collective noun? A group or collection of persons, things is called a collective noun. Like crowd. What is crowd? Crowd is a group of people. So when we use crowd, the crowd was very silent. The crowd was very silent. If we study there here, we are talking all people together. We are talking all people together. So was this here singular verb we should use. But if collective noun is used as a separate, noun is used as separate, then we should use here plural verb. We should use plural verb. How? Suppose any meeting is there, or any politicians march, or politicians he is going to address the people, and that crowd is not silent. Suppose if they are having dispute and they are fighting, so what we should do there here? The crowd were fighting among themselves. The crowd were fighting among themselves means here people were fighting with each other. So there we should use here plural verb, not singular verb as we have used in first sentence. Now look at the second example. The jury has taken decision unanimously. Means together. This jury has taken decision unanimously means all jury members who are, jury means what? The judges panel who is going to take decision there here. So that decision, these members are called jury. So jury has taken decision unanimously. And as jury is, we have used here as a together, so we should use has, not have. Whereas the jury were having different opinions. The jury members, whoever the jury members were there, they were not having same opinion. Different opinions these people were following. So what we should do? We can't use here singular verb. We should make plural verb. That's why where is used here. But in such examples, what we need to do? We need to follow our consistency. Suppose you have used, as earlier sentence was there here, the jury were having. Suppose you have used here its own problems. So this sentence or this statement is wrong. Why? We have used here where as a plural. but afterwards we have used the pronoun its here. We should use, in place of its, we should use their. We should use their, because this pronoun also need to match with this verb. As we have taken jury here plural, we can't take any singular pronoun there. We should take plural pronoun. Now next rule we are going to study. What is the here next rule? If any lessons or if any books names are there or any country's name is there, proper nouns, we can call that here proper nouns. So if any text, any books or any nation's proper noun is having plural form, like America, the United States of America. Okay, or we can call here only the United States. United States, that here of America, we can call it here is a good country. United States is a good country. Even we will find here physics. Some students may seem here yes form is there, so whether it is plural? No, it's a singular. Physics is a good subject. Physics is a good subject. So any books names are also there. Like last year 9th standard students were having one book, that was Gulliver's Travels. So that Gulliver's Travels is having yes form. So it will also take only singular verb, because it is a textbook's name, which is having here plural form, we can see here, but it is not plural. This is singular. Understood? So such kind of the titles also will take always here singular verb, not singular verb will take, not plural verb. Clear? Okay. Now this rule, phrases which express an amount, quantity, a period of time, distance, such kind of these phrases will take singular verb. Will take singular verb. Sometimes we may see here these phrases are plural form, but though they are having plural form, they will take here singular here singular form verb only they will take. For example, Nanded to Aurangabad distance here is r 350 kilometer. Nanded to Aurangabad distance is or oblique r 350 kilometer. So in such cases, what we should take? We should take singular verb. We can't take plural verb. We can't take here plural verb. We need to take singular verb only there here. So this is wrong. This is correct. Understood? See now here second example. $1,000 is the price of that car. $1,000 is the price of car. We can't use here R. Dollars, it seems in the plural form, but still we should use here is as a singular verb. Why? Because this amount we are using collectively, or one unit we are using. We are using it as a one unit. When distance, price, here what amount, quantity, whatever the period of time when we are using, so that is called one unit. If it is used here one unit, we should use singular verb. We can't use their plural verb. But if this distance, these here phrases, whatever the period of time what we have studied, if it is not used as together, if it is not used as one unit, if it is used as separate, then we should take here plural verb. We should take plural verb. Just see here. Okay. So see this here rule. What we have studied here earlier. If the earlier these units, time, phrases, such kind of the things we are using one unit, then singular verb is used. Now what happened here? But phrases which express an amount, quantity, period of time, distance, and they are used as separate units, so they will take plural verb. We will take the same example of Nanded to Aurangabad journey. 25, we will take number only, 25 kilometers. 25 kilometers of Nanded to Aurangabad road require repair. We can't use here requires. We should use here plural. We should use here plural verb. We can't use here singular verb. Are you getting me? We can't use here singular verb. We need to use plural verb because this require we have used here. 25 kilometers of Nanded to Aurangabad road require repair. Is that clear to you? Let's see second example. 2 acres. 2 acres of my land have been destroyed by flood. 2 acres of my land have been destroyed. Suppose I am having here 5 to 10 acre land, and out of that only 2 acres I am talking. I am talking a separate unit, not I am talking here complete unit. That's why what I have to use? I have to use here plural verb. I am not using as a whole, I am using as a separate. That's why I have used here have. If you are using in such cases has, so the statement will go wrong. Clear? Now let's see that here new rule. What happened here? The news or politics. Politics, this noun seems as plural, but it is singular in the sense. So we say that politics is a dirty field. Some people say that politics is a dirty field. We can't use here plural. We can't use as a plural verb. We have to use here singular. Even we can say the news. When we say news, it seems plural, but it is singular. The news was not good. The news was not good. Yesterday you have to, whatever the coronas or whatever the news we are getting, so that news we can call the news was not good. We need to use here singular verb. We can't use plural verb. So dear students, pains and means, these words we can use as a singular or plural as per our wish. But if we have used them as a singular, so we should maintain in the entire sentence this noun as a singular. If you have used them as a plural, in the entire sentence you need to maintain it as a plural. For example, a lot of pains has or have been taken. You can use here a lot of pains has or have, anything you can use. Suppose you have used here as has, so you should maintain here this sentence or this pains as a singular in next sentence also. A lot of pains has been taken. Due to it we lead a good life. We lead a good life. Just see, a lot of pains has been taken. Due to it, we lead a good life. Suppose you have taken here as have. If you wanted to take pains as a plural, so a lot of pains have been taken due to it. It can't be taken there here. It is used for singular, so we should use here due to them. Due to them, we lead a good life. Understood this statement? Okay, next rule, we are going to come to the end of now our lesson. Last rule is remain. So I told you subject and verb agreement, how it is there here. Verb need to agree with the number of subject, not with the number of nouns. Not with the number of nouns. One example we are going to take. The captain with his army has brought victory to our nation. The captain with his army has brought victory to our nation. So we are talking about this here captain, and we have taken here army with him. With is used. So the noun, these here words like with, in addition to, such kind of these words, or as well as also, as well as when we use. So we need to be careful whether we are talking about singular or plural. If singular here subject is there, we should use singular verb. One example I will tell you again. In our school, we study Hindi as well as English. Now here both we are going to use as them here singular. Third one sentence. In our school, Hindi as well as other languages are taught. Now, why we have used here are and why we have used here only here has, you will come to know. Just see, we have used here languages. Languages is a plural form. It is a plural form, and here we have used here captain as a singular. Languages, it could be 2, 3, 4, whatever the languages may be there. So the subject is being here plural, that's why we used here are, and here subject is being singular, that's why we have used here has. I hope I clarified your doubts regarding this lesson, and if any doubts are there, you are free to ask me. I request you, whatever these points are there, with the help of this video and with the help of your textbook, please you write down in your notebook and you do the exercise third also. Complete lesson in your textbook. Miscellaneous examples are there. That miscellaneous examples you study there properly. That will clear your doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.